Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to get Microsoft PowerPoint in your uh, Chrome browser. So let's begin our video. So first of all, what should you do? You just need to open on your Google Chrome browser. So I just open, and if you want to use Microsoft PowerPoint in your Chrome browser, so what should you do? You just need to go on here. There have an option get Google Apps. Open on this and just scroll down, and you can see there have an option for slides. So you just need to click on this slides, and what can you see? Its format. There have a format for Microsoft PowerPoint. You can do everything like your PowerPoint is here. So I just open a blank file. So here you can see, now you can type something here, add title, click title, also that, and you can use a theme from here. So you can use any theme from here like that, and you can do work like your PowerPoint. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.